Okay, slope intercept form, right? Y equal mx plus b. M is the slope, b is, oh, you can't even see. M is the slope, b is the y-intercept, right? I could hear some of you guys explaining it to the person next to you. Okay, so what is the slope? Remember, slope is, it's the m, right? It's rise over run, or it's y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. You guys are amazing at this, right? You don't have any problems with it. Okay, so if I look here, if I can either grab the points and I'll solve it, but some of you, I mean, the grid's kind of clear where you could probably shortcut count, you know, like your teachers taught you rise over run. So if I pick 2 points, right, if I pick this point and I want to count to this point, right, I'm going to count and I'm going to go down, right? So I'm going to go down how many units? If I'm at 3, there's 2, 1, 0. So I went down 3 units, right? And so that's a -3, right? You go down. Okay, and then I'm going to run 1 unit to the right. So I went right 1 unit, and that's a, whoa, I don't know why I'm writing a 3. Positive direction, and then my slope is 3 over 1, or it's -3, however you guys want to write it. Yeah? Okay, that's totally fine if you guys want to shortcut the rise over run, but if we were actually to pull the points, this coordinate is -1, 3, so if I call that x1, y1, this coordinate is 0, 0, x2, y2. So if I go ahead and substitute it into this formula, right, I get y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So 0 minus 3 is -3. This is a positive, so 0 plus 1 is 1, and so you can see I get the same answer, right? And if you were to grab one of the calculators, just because we love the button, this fraction button, right? Click that, and you could go 0 minus 3, 0 subtraction, -1, and it does it for you. Yeah? But you probably did it really quickly. Okay, and obviously the slope is negative because it's a falling line, right? It's decreasing. Okay. All right, what's the y-intercept? Remember, slope is m, y-intercept is b. So your y-intercept is it's where the line crosses or intersects the y-axis, right? So if this is my line and it's crossing at the origin, right? It's where it crosses, intersects that y-axis. Here then, my b value is 0 because it's crossing at the origin. There we go, now I can kind of fit both. Looks like I can fit both. Okay, so my y-intercept is 0. Okay, so then what's your equation? If they're asking you to write it in slope-intercept form, m is your slope, b is your y-intercept, so my slope is -3, and my y-intercept is 0, so it's up to you. You can write this, or if you're comfortable, you can write this. So either one of these two. Okay, you could do the second one even though some of you already did it. Let me just pause and then I'll do the third one because do you guys remember if it's a flat line, what's the slope? 0 or undefined? We'll check. If you guys do your slope, you'll see. You can't divide by 0. So look, if it's y2 over y, y1. Basically, if it's the change of y over the change of x, if your change of x is 0, it's going to be an undefined line because your change of x is your denominator. Oh, I just realized I'm still recording. Hold on. Let me. Okay. I've already recorded.